Okay, gang, so this week for Unit 2, Week 2, our grammar focuses on singular and plural nouns. We've been talking quite a bit about nouns in this unit. First of all, let's review that singular just means one, plural means two or more. So if we look at the sentence, one goat is in the barn, we have the singular goat and a singular barn. So we have two nouns in that sentence, but each one of them is only one of them. If we go over and we think about the same kind of sentence where it says, many goats are in those barns, you can tell that it's become plural because there is an S added to the goats as well as to the barns. So let's talk about some of the rules that you can form, that you need to use to form plurals. First of all, most of the time we add S to most singular nouns, and we add ES to singular nouns that end with the sound S, X, ch, or sh. The same goes true with TCH as well. So if we look at the singular over here in our column, looking at singular, we have one boy, one puddle, a rose. So to switch that to being plural, we just simply add S to the word boys, to the word boy, then we become boys, more than one. Puddle with the letter S becomes puddles, which means more than one. And 10 roses, we would go from one rose to 10, so we would add that S and simply make it roses. So the tricky part comes though when we start adding, we have these sounds with S, X, CH, ch, and SH, sh. And we also need to add in there the TCH as well. So we go from a bus to bus-es, from a box to box-es, from bunch to bunch-es, and from wish to wish-es. So later on, you're going to be using the smartboard and participating in some activities, but I want to go over it with you. One of the things you're going to be doing is playing a game. Let me back that up. And you'll be sorting some of these little guys into how you would make them plural. For example, store just needs an S. So you'll drop the little alien into that spaceship. Radish, though, has that SH sound, so you'll drop him into the other one. And you'll know you got it right if he disappears. So you'll be doing that with your group here pretty soon. But the other thing that you're going to need to do is do this activity on the smartboard. You do not have to do this on paper. So let's write S for singular and P for plural on this. So he puts the peaches in large wooden boxes. We're really only looking at one right here for each underlined noun, so that is plural. So you'll write P. You and your group will do this together. Mr. Okawa sells pears too, so you'll look at the word that's underlined only. Okay? Now we move on. The next one that you'll do together is circle the correct noun to complete each sentence. And you can just take turns doing this on the smartboard. So you'll read the sentence, Cousin Woody makes many toolbox or toolboxes. Well, we look back here and many tells us that's more than one. So we would circle that. And then you'll write a P for plural on that one. And then you'll just go ahead and go back and forth, trading turns, going through that. Not everybody's going to get 2 turns, but you can get pretty close to it. And that is it for today. So enjoy the lesson. Have fun with moving the aliens into the right place. You may stop the video now.